You've probably been told that cracking your knuckles will ruin your hands. But what is actually happening? To understand it, we have to look inside your hands. Between your bones is a slippery, thick liquid called synovial fluid. It acts like oil for your joints. But when you stretch or bend your fingers hard, you pull those bones apart. This sudden drop in pressure creates a tiny bubble of gas out of nowhere. And when that bubble collapses and pops, that pop is the cracking sound you hear. So no, your bones aren't grinding together and it won't give you arthritis. It's just a harmless, microscopic explosion